Is it on?
No, I don't know.
Is her sound rolling?
Yeah, I think. See. Hello.
You don't have to talk into it. The mic is there. She's talking to the transponder.
It's been 10 months since I've joined Hub, honestly, and I've had an amazing experience. But I'm super curious to know, what was your first reaction when you interviewed me? Because we had a telephonic interview, as I remember. Because I know my interview was such that when I walked in and my first point of contact was Bharat and you weren't there. But I still remember you called me and most of the interview was done on call, and then the next day you called me for the personal interview. And what was your first reaction? How did you get to know about me? Because I know you do a lot of background check, because you need to be thorough of what you are like. You do your homework well, I would say. That's plus. But I'm super curious to know about what was your first reaction or when you spoke to me, because I'm usually very hyper, so people just tend to judge me wrong. So yeah.
Yeah. You're a full ball of life, full of excitement, and I think I got a glimpse of that when Bharat spoke to me about you. In really simple words, I really trust his opinion, and there are a lot of applications that we get at the Hub, but they're even fewer than me that Bharat would get excited about and refer to me.
Okay.
So when he sent me that, I automatically knew it was like multiple filters had been checked.
Okay.
So this was someone that he thought would be a good fit here, and I just wanted to know not whether you'd be a good fit or not, but why he thought you'd be a good fit.
Okay.
So my job was already easier. And then when I spoke to you on the phone, I think a lot of your personality came out, and I was able to tell your excitement, your enthusiasm, your likability, your like desire to work with people. So I sensed that, and to me that is one of the most important things that we want to bring in at the Hub, especially for the role that you're doing, because it's such an interactive role. Unless you truly feel satisfied by like helping people and talking to them, and you're that type of a personality, it could almost become a hard job to do. So it was just these two things, and then once I spoke to you and I got to get to know you better, I thought, yeah, like with a lot of things, like let's give it a shot, let's see what happens and see where we are today.
Yeah. Also one more thing, because I see every day people applying to be a part of the Hub, and we also have, so many applications, because I'm the first point of contact, people come and tell me, do you have application? And what I would want to know, what is that spark, or what is that criteria, the first important priority criteria or anything? It's very instant. What would you see for anyone to be a part of the Hub? Like there's some criteria like checklist, maybe not full formally, but anything which is outbox.
Yeah, so there are a couple of roles that we were recruiting for as the business grows. Although there's a common thread to it, you have to be willing to help people and to be of service to others, and that has to be there. I think just an unorthodox approach to the application process would be the easiest way to kind of get our attention. Because, for example, I tell a lot of people who apply to us for internships or jobs, send me a video resume. Just send us a 60-second video of you talking to us, just telling us about yourself, why you want to join the Hub. Because one, you would immediately rise through the top of the applications. It's so much more engaging for me as someone who's recruiting to watch that video and just see you talk to me. It's easier to get to know you than read you on a piece of paper or check out your LinkedIn profile, which is like, it's standard, right? So how do you stand out? So just your approach to applying to us, whether you apply by sending an email or you walk in like you did and find someone who's working there and saying, how can I get involved? So just that personality, that approach to it, I think is the most important thing for me.
So guys who are inquiring to be a part of the Hub, there you go, that's your answer. So yeah.
But you got to go through her first, huh?
Yeah. So just be outbox, just be yourself, be creative as you can. I would say be yourself, because if you are yourself, your personality will speak for yourself. You don't have to just, pretend or anything.
Oh look, there's Zuzu, run!
Okay, this can keep going. Second time I'm ruining